In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete products in GoDaddy website. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. Deleting a product removes it from your store and can't be undone. So make sure you're certain about the item you're removing. If you're unsure, consider noting the product's details first so you can recreate it later if needed. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type GoDaddy, then open the official GoDaddy website. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll see your account avatar or username at the top right. Click that area to open the account menu. This is where you'll access everything tied to your sites and store. From that account menu, select My Products. This takes you to a page listing all the GoDaddy services linked to your account. Locate the domain or website that contains the online store you want to work on. If you manage multiple domains, double-check you're choosing the one that actually hosts the products you intend to delete. When you found it, click Manage next to that domain to open its dashboard. Inside the dashboard, look for the Store section. Depending on your setup, it may be labeled Store or something similar that clearly indicates your e-commerce area. Click it to enter your store tools. Once you're in the store interface, navigate to Products. This is where all your items are listed, including titles, prices, and stock status. Find the specific product you want to remove. You can scroll, search by name, or filter the list to locate it quickly. When you see the correct product, select it, then look for the 3 vertical dots beside it, often called the More or Actions menu. Click those 3 dots to reveal additional options, and choose Delete. A confirmation window will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right item. When you're ready, click Delete again to finalize. The product will be removed from your catalog, and it should disappear from both the products list and your live storefront shortly. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or clear your browser cache. If you only needed to temporarily remove a product from view, consider unpublishing or hiding it instead of deleting, so you can bring it back later without re-entering details. To remove more products, simply repeat the same process for each item. That's it. Your product has been successfully deleted from your GoDaddy website.